All right, on Peterson, thank you. Ms. Montez Peterson, good morning. Please unmute. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1835531, City versus Montez Peterson. Mr. Peterson, just state your name for the record, please.
Montez Peterson.
Thank you. Good job getting this paid off. I don't see any similar tickets. You had a 3-month delayed sentence. I'm dismissing your ticket at this time. It'll come off of your record. Have a great day. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. You too.
Bye. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Okay, let's see if there was an offer from 421 on Rachel Perez. Can you see if you have your offers? She's already in there talking to her, and I don't want her to send her away just because she doesn't have the offer, which is probably what is about to happen. We had them, yes, that was yesterday, right? I was trying to save mine for recycling.
One failed to display and one to find limited access.
Thank you. One to five. I'm gonna move Hervite Patterson up to room 3 since that's a trial. Good morning on the iPhone. Please unmute and give me a name.
Gregory Pugh.
Gregory Pugh.
I think I'm supposed to be till 9:30, I believe.
Yeah, you should try at 9:30.
Pugh is the last name.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yep, you are scheduled for 9:30. Please don't be late. Well, the officer may be here sooner than that. So you're welcome to wait now and see if the officer shows early, or you are welcome to come back at 9:30, whatever you'd like to do.
Okay.
Would you like to stay or come back?
I can stay.
Okay, I'll go ahead and put you in a breakout room, and then we'll wait for the officer. No pressure to stay. It's really up to you. Room 4. Okay. Go ahead and join room 4 for me. Okay, let's see if there are offers on D. Palmer. I'm trying to understand the case that this other attorney is here on. Is it Tacarte?
Oh, it's a formal hearing and proper equipment.
Okay. The offer is to improper equipment, or we're doing a formal
No,
hearing?
that's the only, it's a formal hearing on improper equipment.
Okay, thank you.
Charge.
Okay, so it looks like Elwood Berry is ready on his. And then,
They didn't schedule the other two places.
we probably need to send Ms. Harris the, on Perez, so she knows exactly do you know how many are being dismissed?
Two dismissals.
Try to get Ms. Taylor out. Be back. Is that council? That came into the main room?
No.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Harris, I just wanted to make sure that you saw that there was an offer from yesterday. I renamed the rooms, Attorney Harris, so that you would see the offer on Ms. Perez, just letting you know that it was there.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sure thing. All right, Denasia, is it Denasia Taylor?
Yes.
Okay, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. Please wait patiently for them. They are coming to you.
Okay.
Room 12. All right, Ms. Taylor, good morning to you. Please turn your camera back on. We'll get your plea done. Thank you. Calling tickets number P175-9682 and P176-2399. Both of these are Shamika Taylor. Ms. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Shamika Taylor.
Shamika, thank you. Shamika Taylor. I understand that you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license. We're going to have two other matters that are getting dismissed today. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on July 22nd of 2025 in the area of Gratiot and Burns that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to do one of two things: pay it off in full or see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. As long as you start that payment plan within the next 60 days, your deal remains intact. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, on Perez.
Yeah.
Got Ms. Horn coming in. Who's Trooper Martin here on? Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning. I'm going to give you co-host. You've got 3 attorneys waiting for you. You have a match on at least one of the cases. Officer Clark and the attorney for Aldir Tequete Sanchez is here, so that's a match. I don't know who Trooper Martin is here on yet. If you find out, please let me know. I don't know if he's on that same case or Herbitate Patterson. I don't see him listed under Miss Patterson, so that's why I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
He's
you.
on the case for, Attorney Puta's client.
Okay, Attorney
I
Kuda.
thought I saw that yesterday. Yeah, yep.
Was Kuda
Yep.
represent?
Hello.
Is that person here?
No.
Okay, all right, but you've got a match there. Okay, great. All right, so they're waiting for you in room 2 and the officers are here. Thank you. All right, Attorney Jones, good morning.
Good morning to you. I unmute so I can wish you a good morning. How are you?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Good. I have Mr. Poet on a civil infraction.
What's the last name?
Poet.
Poet. Gotcha. All right.
Like
City Attorney just got
Edgar Allan Poe.
right. Well, City Attorney just got here. She's in room 2 now, or she's in room 1 speaking to the officers. She'll go to room 2 next. I'm going to place you there. She'll get in there to talk to you.
Okay, thank you.
And you have co-host, so you can move yourself around too. All right. Good morning. Is it Mr. Torcellis? Good. How do you pronounce? Good morning.
Torcellis.
Torcellis. Thank you. All right. Have you been in a breakout room to see an attorney yet?
I have not, no.
Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can see an attorney. If you know that your case involves needing to show registration or insurance, things like that, please gather those items while you're waiting. They'll get to you as soon as they can. You're going to room 14. Please hit join.
Just had improper plates.
Okay, I'll come back to those in a minute. Oh, they need an SOS on Perez. I guess you saw that one. What happened to our trial people? They're gone. Well, the one I said he didn't have to wait. The other one, maybe she just decided she was going to go ahead. So they can come back at 9:30. I don't understand this one. He wants appointed counsel in room 8. Is that what that looks like? Trial with attorney. I don't know what that means. Trooper Martin, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How you doing this morning?
Good, good.
Did Miss Horn just send you back out here to wait for her? You guys?
I believe so.
Okay, all right. No
Thank
problem.
you.
I'll just mute you and turn your camera off so you're not on display, okay, until we're ready.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you.
Mr. Tompkins, good morning. Tawan Tompkins, please unmute.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Can you start your video for me, please? I'm ready on Shalisa Porter.
How do I do this? Oh man, how do I do
Here, I'm
that?
going to send you a nope, I'm going to send you a prompt. I'll be with you in just a moment, Miss Porter.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Tompkins, it just says trial with attorney. Did they are they going to appoint counsel for you? Is that what you want?
Yes.
Okay, and we're going to set a bench trial date.
Okay.
And did someone get like your address and email address and all of that from you?
No.
Okay. All right. Do you have an email address where you can be reached, Mr. Tompkins?
Yes.
Go ahead,
Tom-
please.
Tompkins, THOMPKINS 73 at AIM.com. A as in Apple, IM.com.
Okay.
Tompkins 73 at, Tompkins 73 at AIM.com.
All right. Thank you. One moment, please. Attorney Barton, good morning to you again, making you co-host again and sending you back to room 2 if you need that.
Thank you. My apologies. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Mr. Tompkins, give me just a minute and I'll be right with you. I'm going to do Ms. Porter. I've got ticket number P104169, City versus Chalisa Porter. Ms. Porter, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Chalisa Porter.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we've got, they're saying dismiss. I've got a 3-month delayed sentence. Did you get your fine paid?
No, I didn't know, but I can pay it. But
I'm confused with why they're telling me to dismiss your case. Just give me a minute. Can you please pull up Ms. Porter's matter? Thank you. Mr. Tompkins, I'm just looking to see if I need to make your next date a final pretrial or a trial. Give me just a moment. Why don't I see Mr. Tom? Oh, there he is. No, I don't see. There he is. Okay, yeah. We need to set you for a final pretrial so that the attorney that's assigned to you can make sure that they're getting your discovery and all of that. You're going to use a court-appointed attorney. Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Okay, so then I'll set your final pretrial date for May the 6th at 9:15 a.m. You should hear from an attorney before then. If you don't, you'll meet them that day so that you guys can get coordinated, okay?
So you say May 6th at 9:15?
Yeah, is that your phone, May 6th at 9:15? Is that your phone number ending in 5056?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Someone will be in touch. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Ms. Porter, I cannot dismiss your ticket. You're on a delayed sentence and I can't dismiss it.
Yeah, when I tried to pay it, she said that I didn't have nothing to pay, that I had to come back in front of you again when I just had to reset the court date because I missed it because I had an appointment on that day, the same day as the court, the last, what was like a week and a half ago. So they reset me a court date again and she said that it was nothing I could pay. I tried to pay it then and she said,
right.
No,
Stop. I get it. Once a warrant goes out because you've missed a court date, you can't pay.
Oh, okay.
So you're sitting here with a ticket that shouldn't be on your record anymore as of today.
And
instead you've got a warrant.
Years. I know.
Okay. So we can, and I'm not the city attorney. I don't control delayed sentences.
Right.
I can't keep it out there forever. I'm going to give you 30 more days to get this paid. All right. You're going to come back in 30 days. If it's paid in 30 days.
I don't even need 30 days.
That's fine, but I'm going to set it for May 22nd of 2026. Ms. Porter, let me finish talking.
Okay,
please.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
There's a court reporter trying to take a record. She cannot take a record if we're both talking at the same time.
I apologize.
Thank you. All right. I'm resetting this for May 22nd. Okay. May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. However, whenever you get this paid, Ms. Porter, you can zoom back in at 8:30 in the morning. If you pay it today, you can zoom in tomorrow morning at 8:30. And you can let me know that and it will be dismissed at that time. I'm going to give you the 30 days so that I've opened up the case and you can make the payment.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Puta.
Yes, good morning. I'm ready on Mark Palawoda.
Please say the last name again.
It's Palawoda, Palowoda.
Is your client here?
No, I'm asking to waive his presence, Your Honor.
Problem. Calling ticket number X46654663, City versus Mark Palawoda. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda, P67520, on behalf of the defendant Mark Palawoda. Your Honor, I'm asking that you waive my client's presence. Your Honor, I spoke with the prosecutor. We do have a resolution. My client's gonna be pleading responsible to limited access 1 to 5. There was a second charge, Your Honor, on the citation. The prosecutor said it was not on the docket apparently, but we worked that out. It's a case ending in 3-2. It's the second charge of failure to
I have
signal.
it.
Prosecutors agreed to amend that to blockading. So my client will be pleading responsible to limited access 1 to 5 for the first charge, and then blockading, amended charge of blockading for the failure to signal charge.
Right, thank you. On the 1 to 5 over, the fine's going to be 125. Motion to waive presence is granted. Admission of responsibility is accepted. 1 to 5 over limited access on count 1, 125. Blockading on count 2, 175. 60 days to pay or start on a payment plan with the cashiers downstairs if they need a longer term, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Attorney Jones?
Yes, the city attorney sent me back in on Poet. It's my understanding that the officer hasn't arrived. I'm going to ask you to let me waive his presence for this civil matter and going to move for a dismissal without prejudice.
All right, thank you. One moment, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so this is on Poet.
Yes.
Thank you. Calling tickets number SX 46730-161 and 162, also 163, City versus Anthony Poet. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning to you and your wonderful staff. My name is Jonathan Jones, P52920. I represent Mr. Poet. He's invested me with the authority to handle these civil matters on his behalf. I ask that the court let me waive his presence for this morning's hearing.
Thank you. All right, motion to waive presence is granted. I understand that this was set for, these matters were set for formal hearing at 8:30 a.m. this morning, time now being almost 9 a.m. We have not heard from the officer. You have a motion?
I'm going to move that you dismiss it without prejudice, giving the city the opportunity to rewrite if they so choose.
Okay, thank you. Motion to dismiss without prejudice is granted. Have a great day.
Great to see you, Your Honor. Please stay safe.
Thanks, you too. Thanks. All right, and now I have Attorney McCool. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1887274, City versus Aldair Tequatiquio Sanchez. Counsel.
Correct, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ron McCool on behalf of defendant. I'm also asking the court to waive his presence for the civil matter. And likewise, I spoke with the prosecutor. And the prosecutor says the officer has no recollection of the events and that we should that there be no objection to a dismissal with prejudice. I would let the court know that there are actually 3 offenses on this ticket. There's 2 related to equipment violations and 1 as far as insurance, and that they all should be dismissed is what we're asking.
Thank you, counsel. Motion to waive presence is granted. Matter having been set, all 3 matters on the ticket having been set for formal hearing this morning at 8:30 a.m., time now being 9 a.m., officer having failed to appear or contact the court. Dismissal, I'm sorry, the officer did contact city attorney, state that he had no independent recollection of the events. For that reason, these tickets will be dismissed with prejudice. Have a good day, Attorney McCool.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Toller, calling ticket number P1864081 and P1291813, City versus Sherry LaShawn Toller. Ms. Toller, state your name for the record, please.
Sherry LaShawn Toller.
Thank you. Ms. Toller, looks like they've looked at proof of your insurance, verified the validity of your driver's license. Those tickets will be dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, may I have the file on Richard Tyson? Oh, I don't need Richard Tyson. He's going to breakout room. Give me just a minute to catch up. Catch my notes up to my work. Okay, Mr. Tyson, Attorney Barrett will be here shortly to speak with you. I'm gonna go ahead and get you into a breakout room. Corporal Rule, good morning to you. Gonna get you into breakout room number 1. Oh boy, okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Tyson, please go to room 4. Herbert Patterson, let's see, would you rename her for trial, please? Okay, thank you. Corporal Rule, sending you to room 1.
Thank you.
Hmm? All right, Ms. Patterson, sending you to room 3.
Okay.
To join. Did we have an officer appear on that one? Do you know? Patterson.
Oh, that's not until 9:30.
I know, but excuse me. Yeah, we need to wear shirts in court, please.
What, ma'am?
Attorney Barrett, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
You have a client in room 4. Yep, you've got one client in room 4. Actually, I'm gonna move your other client up. Well, they're in room 11. You've got room 4 and room 11, okay?
Okay, thank you.
The city attorney is here. She's in room 2.
Thank you.
All right, I've got Shivani Trailer and Denasia Taylor. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys into breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. One moment, please.
I didn't put that.
All right.
I don't know who sent it.
Okay, so Shivani Trailer, I'm sending you to breakout room now. Please join. An attorney will be with you shortly. And then Denasia Trailer, good morning. Do I understand that you are getting a date to come back?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Barry, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm just making sure that Ms. Trailer doesn't, in fact, need a final pretrial. I'm just looking at what she's got here. Are you getting a date so you can try to get your license and insurance together?
So,
Okay, stop. That's all I need to know. I'll set your trial date.
Okay.
May 13th, 9:30 a.m.
okay.
Okay, thank you. On Denasia Taylor, Madam Clerk.
Got it.
Thank you.
And the same for.
All right, we will see you back May 13th, 9:30 a.m. by Zoom. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right.
I think it's the same for I.
Torricellis.
Yes.
Okay. Did you see Mr. Torcias? Attorney Barry?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Okay, is he a true trial date or is he just getting paperwork together? All I have is an improper plate on him, so I didn't know if he was just
That's
getting registered.
exactly right. He's getting documents. He's doing his registration.
Okay, very good. So I'll give you a final pretrial date so you can get those and bring it back instead of setting it for trial. So that way it can get dismissed if you have it when you come back. May 6th, 8:35 a.m. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right, Attorney Barry, you need us?
I do not, Your Honor. I think everything's done.
All right, I've got an unnamed iPhone. I need you to unmute and give me a name. I just did put someone in, I put some new people in breakout rooms as well.
Dartel Palmer.
I heard Palmer. First name again?
Dartel, Dartell.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, putting you in breakout room. Please hit join. Attorney will be there shortly. Gather documents if you need to. Are you on evens or odds, Mr. Barry?
Even, Your Honor.
Okay, so you'll take that one. That's 16. Did you take away the, yeah, you did. Okay. Equals, because that way I know it's not, they're not pleading to that. Let's see about Ms. Perez. Okay, Ms. Perez, I'm just trying to, oh, I think she's in speaking with city attorney. It may be partly about your case. I'm actually going to send you back, okay? Watch your device for me. I'm going to move you twice, and then as soon as they're done, we'll get you done. Send you to 6 and then 7. So go to 6, then I'm going to move you back to 7.
call to see if an attorney has been assigned for Dr. Palmer.
Thank you. He's been here before a couple times too. Is he here for trial?
He's here for pre-trial, and I'm trying to call this guy. Did you see this email? It was sent to both of us. Saw it.
Oh yeah, I meant to respond to this, but I couldn't find it.
I'm trying to call him. He's not answering.
I have so much junk email that it's really starting to concern me that I can't find things. All right, Reginald Taylor, can I get the file on that one, please? Was he scheduled for 8:30 as well?
Yeah, there's, oh,
Yeah, okay, and then we'll get Ms. Perez after Mr. Taylor. All right, calling ticket number P1861118, City versus Reginald Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Reginald T. Taylor Jr.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, your matter was scheduled for a formal hearing today at 8:30 a.m. No officer has appeared and the ticket will be dismissed for that reason without prejudice. Without prejudice means that the officer could choose to refile it at a later date. If they did so, we'd start over again here, okay, and we'd work it out. But as for now, your ticket is dismissed without prejudice for no officer. Have a good day, Mr. Taylor.
I have a question. I have posted the bond. Do I get my money back?
Yes, you will get your money back in the mail. If you have changed addresses, then you'll probably, what address do we have? Let's see what I have for you, Mr. Taylor. I have an address on Griggs.
Yes, that's yes.
All right, that's where it'll come back to you.
All right.
All right, have a great day.
All right, you too.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Perez, calling ticket number SP 188-26612, also 611. Also ticket number SP 188-26982 and SP 188-26981. These are all City versus Rachel Perez. Ms. Perez, please state your name, unmute, and state your name for the record.
Rachel Perez.
Thank you. Looks like you took care of a lot of this in terms of insurance registration and license. Great job getting that done. You are being offered blockading on the wrong way, which would have carried points. Blockading is 0 points and does not report to your insurance. It's my understanding you wish to admit to the blockading. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. That fine is going to be $175, 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them the down payment to start. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, bye-bye. Then I need Conrad Taylor and
I'm sorry, I can leave the room. I'm sorry. Leave the Zoom.
And thank you. Yep.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
All right. Ted Wallace is Mr. Palmer's attorney. We need to get in touch with him if we have a way. I've got Conrad Taylor. Good morning.
Excuse me.
Mr. Taylor. I'll be right with you, Mr. Palmer. Mr. Palmer, give me 1 second. I know you're there. Thank you. All right. Conrad Taylor, tickets number X4230744, P1829329, P1053485, and P1755316 are all City versus Conrad Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
Conrad Darius Taylor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor, I am told that all of your tickets are being dismissed by agreement. Very good. I'm dismissing all tickets at this time. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. And then Reginald Taylor, did you have another question, Reginald Taylor? We have an address on Griggs for you to return your bond. Okay, Mr. Palmer. Go ahead, unmute.
He just said he was not assigned.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. My attorney name actually is Darnell Bartman.
Oh, Barton.
Yeah, he called me on the 17th.
Where did he go? He was here. Can you call Attorney Barton back?
So I had to reach out to him, his phone.
Yeah, he was just here. I'm going to rename you with his name. I'm going to put you back in a breakout room. He'll be right. He'll be back, I'm sure, because he was here already.
Okay, appreciate you.
Uh-huh.
Thanks.
All right, I'm going to go ahead then and put you in a breakout room again. I'm going to, move you. I'll just put you in room 6, so you'll be up near the top. Go ahead and go to room 6, please. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Uh-huh. I need to get this person on the phone in here before they hang up. All right, phone number ending in 6985. I need a name, please.
Juwan Perry. Excuse me, Juwan Perry.
Jawan Perry.
Yes, ma'am.
Attorney Soroki. All right, we need to call Soroki. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Your attorney will be here shortly. Please be patient. You're going to room 5. Didn't I just put someone in room 6? Where did it? I moved Mr. Palmer to room 6, but he didn't go. I moved him again. Okay. All right. Then I've got Shivani Trailer. Can I have the trailer file, please? Thank you. All right, Ms. Trailer, good morning. Looks like we're going to get you another date. All right, so calling ticket number P1745622, City versus Giovanni Trailer. Ms. Trailer, state your name, please, for the record.
Giovanni Trailer.
Thank you. Court will enter a not guilty plea at this time. You've got a driving while license suspended and no insurance. You're going to get a final pretrial date. Are you trying to get those documents together?
Yes.
Okay, the next date I have is May 6th. Can you do it by then?
Yes.
All right, May 6th, 8:30 a.m., okay? If it's not done, don't be afraid to come back. We'll talk about it, okay?
Okay.
Please try to get it done by that date because these are tickets that will get dismissed very likely as long as you have that stuff done when you come back. I'd rather you spend your money doing that than paying it in fines, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, May 6th, 8:30 a.m. Mm-hmm. Good morning, Officer Baxter.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your case was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. and I already heard a motion to dismiss for no officer. I will put you back in room 1 if you want to speak with the city attorney about it right now. Just let her know it was dismissed for no officer. Go to room 1. I'll move her to room 1 so you're there, okay?
Yeah, thank you. I had Archer this morning and also 220. I was trying to make some offers too.
Yep, no problem. All right.
All right.
Cindy,
Thank you.
Room 1. Yep, I just sent Ms. Horn there to see.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Attorneys Berry and Harris.
You just have one matter remaining, Your Honor, and that is Ms. Patterson.
Ms. Warren and I are waiting to see the officers that appear. I do know we have one officer here on that one.
Okay.
We may have one more, Pugh, he'll probably come back in.
Yeah, Officer Pugh. Oh, on Pugh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we have another trial case, Pugh, that may come back as well that we're waiting on.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
I called the attorneys, no response. I sent an email, so Rocky and Bart.
I mean, Barton was here. That's what I'm confused about. Where did he go? We have Barrett, Barton, and Soroki. Okay, back stressor just showed up and we need to break out room number 1 with them. Hey, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
Good. I'm giving you co-host, but let me look at the offer sheet before you go and tell you if I see something there. Where's my offer sheet? Oh, why did I do that? Oh, because I wrote down the, yeah, thank you. I'm like, what's going on here? You're on Jawan Perry. Let me just see. Here's his offer. All right, on the open alcohol driver, that would turn to passenger. 3-month delay on disobeying officer's order. 1 FTD on the driving suspended. Everything else dismissed.
That's the exact offer I got last time. Okay.
Okay.
Confirming.
All right.
Thank you. No problem.
All right, let me see where he is. He's in room 5.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Attorney Barrett?
Yes, I don't know what happened to my client.
Let's see.
Mr. Tyson wanted a bench trial date. I didn't know what date that was.
Okay, so I'll move Tyson out, give him a bench trial date. Well, you and I need to coordinate that. And then your other client's in room 7. All right, Perkins, I think I moved him up just because once I don't have people up there, we lose track. I don't want to lose track of folks. Our next trial date is May 13th at 9:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
Hold on 1 second, Judge. I gotta look at
Okay. Does that give you time to request discovery and do all that?
May 13th.
Yeah, that would be 3 weeks.
That day I'm supposed to have a real jury trial, so I better not do it.
Okay, so how long do you expect it to last? You want to do the 14th or the 15th?
Okay, Judge. The 15th is a good date.
Okay, can you pop into, oh, there he is, Mr. Tyson?
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna set your trial date for May the 15th at 9:30 a.m. May 15th, 9:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and then your other client, did you have a chance to talk with Ms. Horn? Mr. Tyson,
No.
we'll see you.
Yeah.
Here's a sentence. Yeah. I'm still talking.
He's here for sentence.
Okay, all right, so we can get that done. Mr. Tyson, you have your trial date, May 15th, 9:30 a.m.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank
Okay, thank you.
You can just
All
zoom
right.
in.
Ms. Barrett.
Okay. And then have you received the pre-sentence report on?
Yes, Judge, I'm working on that. You said he's in room 7, correct?
In room 7, yep.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Let me see.
What's Dartel Palmer scheduled for today?
Try and call,
He's scheduled for trial, right?
No,
No.
I'll try and call Attorney Barton again.
Yeah, thank you.
This is Kim from 36th District Court. You have 4 days scheduled for today. Your attorney is here. Me to call in for 437. And you need to sit up if you're laying down and be properly dressed. Okay.
Who's the attorney on that? Oh, Barrett.
Barrett, and like it's hard to get them now with this new system.
Yeah.
You need to get children.
No, I appreciate that because it's so hard to get, like you said, I don't want to get on a merry-go-round for this.
They're on that new system as well.
Mm-hmm. All right, Corporal Williams, good morning. I'm going to send you to room 1 so you can meet with city attorney.
Good morning, thank you.
The officer on Pew. Good morning, Officer Havern. I'm going to send you to room 1 to meet with city attorney.
Morning, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Pugh did check in this morning. He'll be back, I'm sure, in the next 5 minutes, just FYI.
Okay, thank you.
Room 1. This is Powell. Advante Powell, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room. Ms. Barrett will be there to see you in a moment.
Okay.
You're going to room 4. I'm just going to put the offer here so she knows it. Be with you in just one moment, Attorney Soroki.
No problem, Judge.
Okay, Attorney Soroki, what are we doing?
Okay, Mr. Jujuan Perry, he's going to request a bench trial.
Okay. Our next bench trial date is, gosh, I'm sorry, I'm surrounded by paper. Driving me crazy.
May 13th at 9:30.
Okay, so our next trial date is May 13th at 9:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
May 13th. Yes, that's fine. And actually, this will be in person because he has a hard time with Zoom. So we'll need to make this in person.
Okay, so Mr. Perry, I know you're in the courtroom with us now. You're gonna come in person on May 13th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, May 13th, 9:30 a.m.
Yeah, have a good day.
What time
You
is
as
that,
well.
Your
Thank
Honor?
you.
9:30.
9:30?
We're setting
Okay.
for bench trial, is that right?
Yes, bench trial. And did he hung up already?
Oh,
Okay.
he's right here.
No, make sure you're in person, sir,
I
Mr.
got
Perry. Okay,
I got
very
you.
good. All right, I'll
Okay,
see.
see you
Very
then,
good.
Mr. P-
Have a good day, Your Honor. Have a good day to you and your staff.
You too, Attorney
You as
Soroki.
well.
Thanks so
Thank
much. Bye.
Bye.
All right, Attorney Barrett, we're ready on your case. And then you've got one more client who just arrived. Do I have a copy? Yeah, here we go.
Which one was that, Judge? In what room?
Mr. Powell, Avante Powell is in room 4. I've already placed the offer in the room name so that you can see it.
Okay, thank you.
Calling case number Z8098951, City versus Donald Eugene Perkins. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Donald Perkins, P43238. Judge, we reviewed the pre-sentence report. We don't have any factual deletions or corrections to make.
All right, thank you. All right, and have you had a chance to take a look at the city's recommendation?
Yes.
Any objections to that recommendation or anything you'd like me to know?
No, Judge.
Thank you. All right. All right, the recommendation is a 12-month term of probation, during which time Mr. Perkins is to attend and complete an outpatient substance abuse treatment program, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illicit substances, random urinalysis twice a month at an outside agency, attend and complete alcohol highway safety course, attend and complete the MADVAC victim impact panel, obtain a medical marijuana card or complete marijuana insight program, view the short film Consequences, pay the $100 assessment fee, the $15 urinalysis fee, and all other assessed fines and fees. I will on that second one that says no alcohol, no marijuana, and no illicit substances, we will amend the no marijuana to without medical marijuana card, since they are suggesting that you at least obtain one or get into the insight program. Mr. Perkins, is there anything else you would like me to know? I am inclined to impose that sentence as recommended.
Yes, ma'am. I did go to the basic driving improvement class on the month of January.
All right, very good. So I appreciate you doing that. That does not eliminate any of the conditions suggested by probation. And so I will go ahead and impose sentence at this time as just stated according to the recommendations of the probation department, with an additional $190 fee imposed by this court for the fine on this ticket. All right, Mr. Perkins, good luck on probation and we'll see you at your review.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, then on Mr. Powell. Okay, very good. She saw the offer. Then on the iPhone, what's the name, please?
Gregory Pugh.
Okay, Mr. Pugh, the officer did get here, so I'll get an attorney in there to see you. Mr. Berry, would you mind taking this one since Attorney Harris has that other trial case?
Certainly.
Thank you. The officer is here. I will get Mr. Pugh into room 5. Mr. Pugh, please join room 5. Thank you. Okay, then I have Officer James. Which case are you here on, please?
I am here for Herberta Patterson.
Thank you. I'm gonna put you in room 1 to see the city attorney.
Alrighty, thank you.
Mhm. So nothing from Attorney Barton.
Nothing. You have no.
What's his name?
No, but, no. Okay. That's that. You don't have one?
No, Pamela.
Oh, no.
Passed him.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Tompkins checking.
Got Corporal Jones coming in on something. Corporal Jones, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
That's gonna be Herberta Patterson. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, gonna put you in room 1 with city attorney.
Okay, thank you.
What time?
The firearms.
Okay. My phone is so messed up. I have to take it back. I don't know what's going on. How many officers are we expecting on Pew? Corporal Kropick, good morning.
Good morning.
Cindy, 1 quickly. City attorney's already in there.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. I don't know what to do with Mr. Palmer other than reschedule him if we can't get in touch with Attorney Barton. did we run an SOS on him? We had an offer. She's already dismissing the license and insurance charges except for one. So yeah, let's get an SOS there. Please. Good morning. How are you, Jonathan? Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, thank you. Okay, Officer Backstresser, she's in room 1. Let me get you in there quickly to see her.
Perfect. I just had to pop back over to 220. I'm gonna end up having a hearing over there. They're just gonna
No
call me.
problem. That's okay. She's active in breakout room number 1 now, so you can get to city attorney there.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Mr. Palmer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we've been trying to reach Attorney Barton, but I can't. We've tried a few times, so we've got a couple of options here. You can keep waiting. I'll be here for probably another hour. You can keep waiting to see if we can get him in the next hour. I can give you a date to come back. Or I can have you meet with one of the attorneys who's here now who can go over the offer with you that's on your case if you would like that to see if you wish to take it. It's totally up to you.
Okay, Mr. Barkdale, he just texted me. I ain't wanna he tried to call me, but I ain't wanna hang up off video Zoom with you guys. So I'm just waiting for him to come.
Okay, does he know that you're now in court?
Yeah, he know I'm not in court. He had just texted me and said good morning. He was there and I think he told me what was the plea deal or something, and he said he should be there shortly.
Okay, so he knows you're here now. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Then you can return yourself to the breakout room if you can. Otherwise, I'll return you. Take a look at your device and see if you see a place that says join breakout room or return to breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Natija Powell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Okay, we're here.
Good morning.
Motion. Very good. All right, it's scheduled for 10 a.m. So there's probably going to be a little bit of a wait, but you're welcome to wait. I will put you in a breakout room just a moment, okay?
Thank you.
Officer Williams, are you here on the Patterson matter?
Yes.
Thank you. I'll get you into the breakout room to speak with city attorney. She's in there now.
Okay.
You're going to room 1. And then that means we need, who's the attorney on Natija Powell? Reese Carpenter?
Oh, Carl.
Yeah. right, Ms. Powell, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Your attorney should be here in just a few. Sending you over
Thank you.
to room 7. Good morning, Mr. Tompkins. All right, you're muted. I'm gonna put you on hold. I'm gonna mute you, keep you muted for just a minute, and then turn your video off for just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Tom, you have a number for him?
Yes,
Well,
I think so. Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Hey, Attorney Barton, room 6. Your client's in room 6. I know you're busy. I can tell you're running. All right. Okay, Mr. Tompkins, go ahead and unmute.
Yes, I'm on.
How you doing this morning?
I'm good. What about yourself?
Good, all right. So in front of me today, you've got some stuff to do with license suspension, improper plates, registration. However, you also have a couple of other tickets that are older that there were warrants on, so we're gonna pull those warrants off of your tickets.
Okay.
And then what I want to do is appoint counsel and then give you a date to come back. That attorney will work on all of the cases at once to try to get you a better deal. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to send you a chat, or do you want to start the chat to get his info, Madam Clerk? The clerk is going to start a chat with you. And in that chat, I need you to give us your email address and a phone number where the appointed attorney can reach you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And then I'll take the Pew file when you are ready, but I can call it from here. It's just one case. R2. And that is ticket number SP 186-35221 and 222, City versus Gregory Pew. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Pugh.
Gregory Pugh.
Thank you.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit rather than the 26 to 30, and the insurance matter to be dismissed.
All right. All right, Mr. Pugh, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody, and then, well, this is just a civil infraction. So you are then admitting that on February 10th of 2026 in the area of Gratiot and East 7 Mile, that you were going at least 6 miles per hour over the posted speed limit.
Yeah.
All right. The fine on that is $135. Okay. Please slow down. This says they clocked you with the device going quite fast in a 35-mile-per-hour zone, which means it may have been residential. So please make sure you're slowing down, keeping us all safe. $135, 60 days to get it paid in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor, okay?
135, 60 days.
Yep, as long as you do that within the 60 days, either pay it or get on the payment plan, then you will, your deal stays intact, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, Corporal Jones. Good morning, Attorney Carpenter. Attorney Carpenter, I'm giving you co-host, and your client is in room 7.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Corporal Jones, were you already in breakout room number 1? Because I've got a plea ready on Ms. Patterson, it looks like. I know you were here, but I don't know if you talked to city attorney.
Yeah, I got kicked out some kind of way, so I was just coming back in. I don't know what the results were.
Okay, well, I can send you to room 1, see if she can tell you, but I don't know if she's still in there.
Okay.
All right, now we've got, let's go to Avante Powell. Get the Powell file, please. Thank you. All right, on Avante Powell, I have ticket numbers P1844630, P1844631, and P1844665. All City versus Avante Powell. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Avante Powell. Judge, we're requesting a bench trial date.
Okay. Your other one was set for May the 15th, I believe, at 9:30.
Correct, Judge. That's fine.
Okay. Mr. Powell,
Yes,
May
ma'am.
15th. At 9:30 a.m., okay?
May 15th at 9:30 a.m.
Yep. We will see you then.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a good day, Mr. Powell.
Bye.
And who do I have on Ms. Patterson? On Patterson, please, Herbert Patterson. All the officers are coming out. Did you prompt them out? Okay, try to get them all out here. All right, calling ticket number P1825306 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Herbert Patterson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Erica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Patterson. Ms. Patterson, could you state your name, please?
Yes, my name is Herbert Patterson.
Thank you. Officers, I'm going to ask you to unmute and state your names for the record. We'll begin with Corporal Rule.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
Thank you. Corporal Jones.
Corporal Jerry Jones, badge 1530, 7th Precinct.
Thank you. Corporal Williams.
Good morning, Corporal Williams, badge 4198, City Detroit Police.
Thank you. Corporal Kropick.
Corporal Kropick, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
Thank you. Officer Williams.
Officer Williams, badge 3410, police officer for the city of Detroit.
Thank you. And Officer James.
Officer James, Detroit Police, badge number 12.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, are you placing an appearance in the Patterson matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. Attorney Harris.
Erica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Patterson. We are proceeding by way of a plea, Your Honor.
Thank you. Terms of the plea, please.
Your Honor, Ms. Patterson will be entering a plea to two amended counts of failing to display a valid license, one amended count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive, two counts as charged, improper plates. The disregarding the red or amber signal will be amended to blockading, and the speeding 16 to 20 will be amended to speeding 1 to 5 over.
1 to 5 straight?
Yes, Your Honor. I have discussed this plea with Ms. Patterson. I've discussed possible collateral consequences with regards to the plea, and it's my understanding she does wish to move forward with the plea.
Thank you. Ms. Patterson, does all of that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And Ms. Horn or Ms. Harris, Attorneys Horn or Harris, can you please tell me if there are specific ticket numbers we are using for these, please?
Yes, Your Honor. As to ticket number SP 182-530-61, no operator's license. Officer Christian James, that's a failure to display.
Thank you.
Ticket number SP.
I'll take these if we go, if that's okay. It'll be easier. Ms. Patterson, you said the terms of the plea sounded correct to you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, everything I want to tell is the truth and the whole truth.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on November 6th of 2025 in the area of Oakman and Wildermere, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Horn, next ticket.
Yes, Your Honor. Ticket number SP 16244-971, improper plates as charged, written by Corporal Kropick.
Thank you. All right, thank you. And that last ticket was as to Officer James. Thank you, Officer James. Now this one is as to Corporal Kropick. Ma'am, Ms. Patterson, is it true that on September 17th of 2024 in the area of eastbound West 7 Mile and Warwick, you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit with improper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next ticket, Ms. Horn. And that one was as to Corporal Kropick.
Yes, Your Honor. Another ticket, Officer James and SP 161-81321, improper plates as charged.
Thank you. Ma'am, Ms. Patterson, is it true that on August 30th of 2024 in the area of Kercheval and Mount Elliott, you operated a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, next ticket, please, Ms. Horn.
SP 142-47451, Officer Antonio Williams, driver unlicensed. The people are moving to amend to an allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Thank you. Ms. Patterson, is it true that on March 19th of 2023 in the area of Hayes and Flanders in the city of Detroit, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Correct, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, next ticket, Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. SP 1222-8481, Corporal Rule, license improper. The people amend to failure to display.
Thank you. Ms. Patterson, is it true that on July 6th of 2021 in the area of West Chicago and Fitzpatrick, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, next ticket.
SP 180-67061, Corporal Lamont Williams, 16 to 20 miles per hour over. The people are moving to amend to 1 to 5 speeding.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, Ms. Patterson, on October 3rd of 2025 at Gratiot and Iroquois, you are admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next ticket, Ms. Horn, or is that it?
One
Nope,
last ticket, Your Honor. SP 170-755-81, written by Corporal Jerry Jones. Disregard a red signal. The people are moving to amend to blockading.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Patterson, you are admitting that on April 10th of 2025 in the area of Van Dyke and Charlevoix, that you can either admit to disregarding a red or yellow light, which will reduce the blockading, or to blockading traffic. Which one are you admitting to?
I didn't hear you. Can you repeat that? My signal messing up, ma'am. I apologize.
Are you admitting that you did disregard a red or yellow light on April 10th of 2025 at Van Dyke and Charlevoix in the city of Detroit, which we are amending to blockading traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, anything further?
Nothing further from the people, Your Honor.
Okay, are all other matters dismissed pursuant to the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Let me just make sure I understand as to, there was one ticket. Nope, that one's a 2021. Okay, all right. Then all other matters are dismissed pursuant to the plea. Ms. Patterson, you've got quite a few fines here to pay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one of two things that you can do, and I'm going to give you 90 days to get it done. Okay.
Okay.
You can either pay the tickets in full. Each of your tickets was $190, except for your 1 to 5 over, which was $125, and your blockading, which was $175. You'll be able to get a total from the cashiers. If you can't get them all paid in the 90 days, the other thing that you can do is go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them you need a longer term payment plan. As long as you do that and you start on the payment plan by giving them the down payment and getting started on the payment plan within the next 90 days, this deal all remains intact. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have
Thank
a good
you.
day.
You
Officers,
too.
thank you for your appearance. Have a good day, ma'am. Bye-bye.
You too, Judge. Have a great one.
Thank you. I have someone on an iPhone just came in. What's your name?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Eason. I'm here on Herbette Patterson.
Okay, Sergeant Easton, you just missed the hearing on Ms. Patterson, but Ms. Warren is still here. I'll send you into breakout room number 1 so that you can discuss the matter with her.
Oh,
Okay, now we are ready. Now we've got our motion hearing. Thank you. And we're on time, 10 a.m. motion hearing, and it's 10:03. All right, guys, we ready on the Powell matter? Oh, we've got Mr. Palmer to take care of real quick. And Attorney Barton, I'll go ahead and call that matter real fast here. Can I have the Palmer file, please?
Yes, we're ready on that matter. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I have tickets number SP 18508 231 232 and 233. Also SP 17857 931 932 and 933. All of these are City versus Dartell Palmer. All right, guys. Mr. Palmer, I need you to stop moving. I can't concentrate when that's going on. Thank you. Attorney Barton, your appearance for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. First, good morning to you and your staff. May it please this honorable court. Darnell Barton, P83363 on behalf of Mr. Dartell Palmer. Sir, can you just state your name only for the record, please?
Dartell Palmer.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's a date and time for a pretrial. Mr. Palmer was given an offer, and we graciously would like to accept that offer, where he would plead to an amended charge of open alcohol passenger and the amended charge of blockading, with the remaining counts to be dismissed, Your Honor. He's been made aware of his rights, and he'd like to avail himself of that offer.
Okay, thank you. I'm just going to need a date and location, Madam Clerk. Mr. Palmer, does that sound consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading? You please speak up. The court reporter needs to hear you.
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Need an answer?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on January 12th of 2026, in the area of Madison and Beaubien, you were in a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway with alcohol in the passenger area?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that you are admitting to blockading traffic on September 1st, 2025 in the area of East 8 Mile and Van Dyke?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Your pleas are accepted. On the blockading traffic, that one's 175. And on your open alcohol passenger, that one is 190. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
60 days to either pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. Good to see you, Attorney Barton. Thank you, Mr. Palmer.
Always.
You guys have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. All right. Have a great day, Mr. Palmer. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Barton.
All right. We're ready on the Natija Powell matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Horn, I just want to make sure, did you file a response here?
I did, Your Honor. Let's see. At the end of business at our last hearing.
Okay, let me just take a quick look.
Okay. And may I take a quick break? Just 5 minutes.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor. Let me make sure was sent.
All right, well, I'll just wait here for you.
Okay, got it.
I got it. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
That would be great. If you could print both of them, that would be great, please. Okay, thank you. Let's see if you have Attorney Carpenter's as well. Attorney Carpenter,
Yes,
would you please forward Madam Clerk a copy of your motion?
yes, I can do that right now.
Yes, thank you.
Do you need my email address?
Yeah, you can tell me it.
Kimberlyn.McCallum.
Okay.
I can chat it. It's long. Send you an email just so you can have it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ready.
Thank you. I need just a moment actually too.
Okay.
Did you get that from Attorney Carpenter? Attorneys Berry and Harris, you're welcome to stay, but anyone who arrives after this time will be given a date to come back. Thank you both for your hard work today. I appreciate it.
You have a great day, everyone.
Thank you. I'm sorry, what'd you say about Carpenter?
Oh, not yet.
I just sent it.
Thank you. Let me know when you get it. I'm taking a quick look at the case law that was quoted. Thank you. One moment, guys. Hmm. I'm gonna print the case. Thank you. All right, guys. Calling case number SP 176-18561. This is the case of City versus Natasha Dominique Powell. We are here for a motion hearing on the return of Ms. Powell's firearm following the completion of her delayed sentence, which she accepted a plea under a 3-month delayed sentence to unlawful discharge within the city limits under a 3-month delay, which was offered by the city. Having performed the requirements of that 3-month delayed sentence, the case was then dismissed. We are now here on the motion hearing as to Ms. Powell's firearm, which is still being retained by, I understand, DPD, is my understanding. Attorney Carpenter, this is your motion. I'll take appearances, please. Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Natasha Powell. Natasha Powell, can you please state your full name for the record?
Natasha Dominique Powell.
Tamika Horn on
you.
behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Carpenter.
Your Honor, I did want to state, going through the motion, that since she has completed her delayed sentence, like the prosecution made the argument that she was convicted during those 3 months, but after those 3 months, without her picking up any new type of charges, the cases would be dismissed at this point. And if you looked at 600.4706 under the Michigan case law, it states that once the case is dismissed, that all property shall be returned to the legal owner.
All right, thank you. Ms. Horn, your response?
Thank you, Your Honor. The people would object to the return of the firearm to Ms. Powell under these particular circumstances as she pled to violating the law. The ordinance does not address whether she complied with terms of dismissal based on the delayed sentence. The ordinance that the city has written this ticket under, which is on the face of the ticket, City Code 311325, is a provision that states that no firearm shall be illegally discharged in the city of Detroit, which is what she admitted to doing. The forfeiture ordinance does apply in this case, which is 3113-2, where all weapons carried or possessed contrary to the provision of this code, which is the previously cited code, or state or federal law, are hereby declared contraband and are forfeited to the chief of police to be disposed of in accordance with state law. The state law specifically provided under 28.434 and MCL 750-239, once these weapons are determined to be contraband and are rightfully forfeited to the city of Detroit, the state of police will dispose of those firearms in that manner. I believe both of these citations, all this law is applicable to this case. I'm not certain why the MCL 600 case that council has cited is applicable to this case. It sounds like it's a civil and property, real property forfeiture, and not under the gun, the weapons code.
Great, thank you. I don't see anything that disallows consideration of weapons under that statute. However, in accordance with how courts operate, the more specific statute would govern. I will give you that. I've got to say, you know, we've had this case going on for a little time, and you know, we've done that because I needed motions and I needed briefs as to how a delayed sentence affects the government's authority to retain a weapon. I have nothing. I have nothing in either of the motions that tells me how the law is applicable to a case where the sentence is delayed such that the charges are now dismissed as if they just didn't exist. They're dismissed once Ms. Powell has fulfilled the terms of her delayed sentence.
And the people's position is that she admitted to the wrongdoing, despite how it was disposed of.
I understand your position, right? But the wrinkle in this case, it'd be an easy case if that's all we had to worry about. The wrinkle in this case is that we have a delayed sentence. And when that sentence was delayed, Ms. Powell was advised that the charges against her would be dismissed upon her fulfillment of all the requirements of the delayed sentence. If charges are dismissed, there would be no reason to believe that the government would have a right to retain firearm. Although, Ms. Horn, I do understand your position that if it's initially pled to, then it makes it contraband. But again, this is the wrinkle that nobody's given me a brief on. And quite frankly, there seems like there would be an estoppel argument here to an offer where someone accepts something saying all charges will be dismissed, and then the government comes back after defendant has complied and says, but wait, we're still going to treat you as if they were sustained under this particular part of this statute.
I would respectfully disagree, Your Honor, but that's just for the record, yes.
I got it. And you need to make your record. And this is the kind of case that appeals are for. Because I ought to be better equipped to make a decision about the case. Mr. Carpenter, I will caution you, as a practicing attorney, I once submitted a motion without a brief and it got denied, and I missed my client's timeline and I had to throw myself on the mercy of the court. Motions must be accompanied by a brief, and this is why. Okay. It was one of my early, you know, I'm just cautioning you because I've been through it. I'm considering this motion and not rejecting it, even if it's a one sentence brief. Protect yourself because you stated the case law in the motion. Protect yourself with the brief because that's what I had done. Stated my argument in the motion that they wanted it in a brief.
And please, for the record, I'm sorry, Your Honor. And please, for the record, going forward, Mr. Carpenter, make a proper proof of service. I really need that so I know what my timeline looks like and have it dated. Thank you.
So guys, I'm going to ask you all, I'm going to mute everybody, turn off cameras for 5 minutes. There's some things I want to look at, see if I, because as I said, this is the kind of case appeals are for, because I'm operating kind of in the dark. And I'm going to try to do a little better job of not operating in the dark for a moment. But I shouldn't have to. I should have what I need in front of me to make a decision. So give me just a moment.
Thank you.
All right. What's going on here? All right, guys, you can unmute, cameras on. Thank you. All right. Get Ms. Horn back with us. All right, I've done some looking at the cases cited as quickly as I can. I will say that although it's a bit confusing, the case of Banks versus Detroit Police Department does appear to have been overruled in People v. Minch, which is a Michigan Supreme Court case. Here in Minch, which is not really that much more helpful because the defendant had a number of items seized in accordance with a search warrant. Some were, looks like maybe one would have been considered contraband and one was not, or a number of items were not. And it appears from my quick read that the decision in Minch was to remand to the circuit court for the circuit court to draft instructions about return of defendant's property to a bailee who had some relation to him and could take possession of his property, including firearms, while he was serving time. Again, not real helpful in the case of a delayed sentence. You know, the Constitution protects defendants from unreasonable searches and seizures. And illegal searches and seizures. And so what we are attempting to determine now is whether the retention of Ms. Powell's firearm, which would be a seizure, can be supported under the law when she no longer has a standing criminal conviction. I have to tell you that I think if I ruled that the government could retain Ms. Powell's property, that would be a basis for plea withdrawal, because she would be alleging then that she was unaware of the consequences of the delayed sentence on one of her constitutional rights. However, here, Ms. Powell doesn't have any prior convictions that would prevent her from owning a firearm. She now has no present convictions that would prevent her from owning a firearm. She has completed what the government asked her to complete for the charge to be dismissed and for it no longer to be on her record. As I said, I do think there's an estoppel argument to be made here that if we're going to continue to treat a defendant as if they had been convicted in any way, that would need to be disclosed on the front end and not argued on the back end that, oh, now she doesn't get her firearm back. So I am ruling that Ms. Powell's firearm must be returned to her. I do understand your position, Ms. Horn. But that is the order of the court at this time. I don't find a basis upon which the government should be retaining the firearm at this time. Admittedly, I'm not functioning with a lot of information. I don't have much in terms of the briefs to guide me. And so I'm doing the best that I can here. But I have difficulty seeing how a dismissed charge on the government's terms then support the seizure of a person's property. And so I am ordering that Ms. Powell's firearm be returned to her at this time.
And thank you, Your Honor. And just for the record, the government is not seizing it. The government considered it forfeited as contraband. And I know you understand that argument, Your Honor. I'm not sure. I don't think this elite, put her at any condition where she can't buy another gun. I'm not sure if the dismissal is more important or the gun.
Right,
So,
but that would
yeah.
have been a decision that was hers to make at the time she took the plea. I agree with you that she can buy another gun. But if that was going to be a consequence, that's a decision that she needs to be advised of. That's something a consequence that she needs to be advised of.
By her counsel.
When she takes the plea, right? You're right.
Just for the record,
but if the government is taking this position, you know, these cases are, I don't know why they're all starting to come up now.
We were talking about that too.
Becoming an issue now, right? And so now we know that these things do need to be discussed and disclosed if we're taking pleas, delayed sentences, that this could be something the government is going to attempt to argue even once you complete your delayed sentence, that firearm is going to be permanently forfeited. And I do understand your position that if it was contraband at the time it occurred, it's still contraband now, right? I get your argument, Ms. Horn. And since there was a plea entered, you would consider it still contraband. The difficulty is there is no conviction now because of the delayed sentence. There is no conviction. The case has been dismissed pursuant to the delayed sentence. It's gone. And so I don't understand procedurally how the government retains the firearm. So that's my position at this point. As I said, you know, this is becoming an area that is getting litigated now for some reason pretty frequently, and I suppose we'll see some appeals and we'll get some better guidance here, and I'm ready for it. But as for now, you know, and I'll say Ms. Powell, you know, her admission, well, as to the delayed sentence, and then we asked her to. I also see that under the delayed sentence, she was required to complete a handgun intervention program so that she could safely handle a firearm. And so again, that speaks to me that she would have certainly thought at the time she entered the plea, if she's being asked to complete a handgun intervention program, that she'd be able to get her handgun back. So that's the order of court at this time.
And just asking for, I'm sorry, Your Honor, written order. So, yep, I'm not sure if
absolutely.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yep, I will submit the order. The order, however, yeah, I'll do a better job with it than this, Madam Clerk. All right, I'll get you guys a written order. What's today? Wednesday? Within the next 7 days, you guys will have a written order. Okay?
Okay, thank you. And that's also so I can circulate it to DPD.